So we've just got a DAS return time for soaring. 20 minutes from now, so we thought we'd just come on living with the land. First time I've ever been on this, so I've got no idea. We know what to expect, but we've never been on it before.
The richness, the diversity, the often surprising nature of living with the land.
But it's a nice little. How long does it last, this ride, Ben? But if you're overeating, we've just walked in and come straight on. There's been no wait time whatsoever.
Trap water from the flowing mud, extracting precious nutrients and minerals. These elements, when combined with sunlight, create the diverse living systems of our planet. One of those living systems is the rainforest, home to the most amazing concentration
of we've been sat having his breakfast up there.
These dense and beautiful forests cover only a tiny portion of the Earth's surface, but they contain more than half of it. For your safety, please remain seated in your boat at all times. Welcome to our living laboratory, where scientists from EPCOT and the U.S. Department of Agriculture are exploring innovative ways to produce bountiful harvests now and into the future. More than 28 million tons of bananas are eaten annually, making it the most popular fruit in the world. When we mention farming,
but that's what they use in chip shops now.
But fish farming or aquaculture accounts for nearly half of all the seafood consumed globally. Tilapia, bass, and catfish, like the ones you see here, are three of the more popular crops raised by fish farmers. The sustainable system using here recycles the water in the tanks. As a result, we're able to save millions of gallons each year. Our small fish farm produces nearly 5,000 pounds of fish each year to serve in restaurants around Walt Disney World. While there are more than 50,000 edible plant species in the world, most of us are only familiar with the handful that make up our everyday diet. The common grains growing here, wheat, maize, sorghum, and millet, plus rice, account for nearly 2/3 of our global food consumption. Learning how to increase yields of these staples is an important goal of research around the world.
Been on living on the land and went on to soaring after. Yeah, but we've been in that building for the last hour and a half. So it's got to be living on the land. And Debbie's been bit by something on her leg.
Got a bruise with it too.
Started bruising and swelling straight away. So God knows what's bitter in there. We're just on our way around to the first aid. Oh, been to first aid. And we gave Debbie some antihistamines and put a huge ice pack on her leg, as you'll see when she comes up. We're just in Mexico Pavilion at the moment. It's cooled down. Got a fast pass for fast track. There it is, look. Come on then, choose a side. Coco stuff.
My green one? I got it at Disney. From Edna? Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be like $20.
Well, them ears, Debs. Yeah?
Okay. Never been on it, so...
Come on then. Go then. 3. Yeah. Thank you. Come on, get up, catch up with her.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is another ride we've been on it. It's on for the first time. I've never actually been on this. This is what our room's based on, isn't it? Them 3 rancheros. Coronado Springs. Oh, that's our swimming pool, look.
Yeah. I looked at that restaurant.
Did you?
Yeah.
I'm looking at it now.
No, I mean, I looked
Oh,
at
right,
it
okay. Thought you were just being literal. I looked at that restaurant, then I've looked at that table.
No, the food in there, I'm not such a guy.
A bit too spicy, or... Hey, did you get your photo passport on here? Might be, yeah. Acapulco.
Caballeros, they say we are birds of a feather. We're happy amigos, no matter where he goes. The 1, 2, and 3 goes, we're always together.
So we're going to go on Spaceship Earth. We're going to try the not so well known disabled entrance around the side. So yeah, we're just going to walk round. Press the magic wall button.
It's so hard to find.
And hope that it works. And here we go, we're inside. the ice pack.
Yeah.
Let's just assess it
There you
first.
go, yeah.
Have a look, wait until we come off this ride.
Alright, thank you.
Sit over here.
This is another very bad. I need to get some more.
Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we? On your computer screen, answer a few questions first. Then we'll show you a new world, custom made just for you. Ready?
There's one. Obviously. Oh, it's good.
Go on, yeah. Planner, definitely a planner.
Destination.
Any, just choose, I don't mind.
My
Yeah.
pets, obviously.
Do it again.
Obviously my pets. So,
Well done. Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know already. Let's take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future.
didn't we?
Here in your future, getting away on vacation is a breeze. Your smart suitcase knows where you're going and what you'll need. And with solar power from your home fueling station, you're off. You won't have to worry about your pets while you're gone, thanks to handy household robots. You'll leave your city home in an ultra-light, ultra-powerful, total network family car that can take you anywhere. You've already planned a trip with your virtual travel agent. Hotels,
I must have missed my
restaurants,
first.
check. Guided tours, check. You'll never get bored on the journey because your car's holographic gaming technology keeps you connected to friends back home. You'll travel quickly and safely to places you can't imagine visiting today. And the moment you arrive at your ultimate vacation destination, you're out of this world and into the future. The end. Or should I say the beginning of your future.
Just been on Spaceship Earth. Now we've got a fast pass for test track. So we're just making our way around past all the work. Does anybody know? Is Starbucks closed now, or has it moved somewhere else? Oh, there we have it. That's my creation. What's your creation look like, Kay? Look like you're building a very good sports car. What's the state of mine? You seen it, Debs? I don't think there's anything wrong with mine.
La estación de control de cinturones de seguridad está a la vuelta de la esquina. Por su seguridad, mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y cuida a los niños.
Automated driving technology activated.
Welcome to the sim track. We'll begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface. Capability test results displayed and verified.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
Scanning sim car for optimal fuel efficiency. Automated crash avoidance technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data.
Here comes the final test.
Energizing for power test.
Like it's on you, Debs. Two 1-5. Kieran, have you done yours? What score did you get? 197. I got 215. Go on, do yours then. 165. I can't believe it. I got that. I designed the weirdest thing I could possibly think on, and it still come out with better scores than yours. Trying to do all smooth designs and stuff.